Hi guys, press the bell button and then subscribe. Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to do a scenery and I will tell you what colors I will use. Dark blue, green, yellow and black, lemon yellow and brown. So guys, I'm not that good at the palm trees, but I still shared you how to make a scenery with a palm tree. And when I grow up, I will compare this drawing with my other one, and I will see what is the change. Now, the colors are blue, white, yellow, oxide, dark green, and a little bit of brown. Now I'll take some white. So now I'll take some blue. So this is the horizontal line, and this is going to be the sea, and this is going to be the sky, and it should be straight. I will use now dark blue and brown. I'll take blue and white. I will use this yellow and white, and I will mix it. Now I will make waves. when the waves come, the waves shadow get it on the beach. So I'm gonna use brown to make the shadow. So guys, this how we have to do on our palm trees. Guys, you have to use a slow hand and a soft hand so you don't mess up. Practice it on your house so you will know how to do this. Now we'll do the main part of the scenery. So guys, now use green, and when I'm done with the green, I will use lemon yellow. We don't need to hide the black all, so the black will be the shadow. Now I will highlight the tree with lemon yellow. Now I will highlight with the lemon yellow paint. Guys, this is how it looks like. Now make a boat and a bird. Check on my other video, sketch of a bird and a boat. So finally it looks like this. If you like it, see my other video, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Until then, bye.